Instrument calibration is essential for ensuring the accuracy and reliability of measurement devices. However, several common misconceptions can lead to improper calibration practices. Many believe that if an instrument fails calibration, it must be repaired or adjusted. In reality, calibration assesses the measurement error and certifies accuracy through a calibration certificate. Repair or adjustment is only necessary if the inaccuracy exceeds acceptable limits. Some assume calibration is needed only when a device malfunctions. Regular calibration is crucial for consistent performance and measurement accuracy. It should be scheduled periodically as recommended by industry standards or manufacturer guidelines, regardless of visible malfunctions. Passing calibration doesn't automatically mean an instrument is suitable for specific applications. The calibration certificate reports measurement error and uncertainty, but additional verification is necessary to ensure operational precision. Key steps include interpreting calibration reports, conducting post-calibration verification, and choosing instruments with precision levels higher than the operational requirement. Instruments with minor deviations within operational tolerance can still be used with regular monitoring. By addressing these misconceptions, organizations can maintain high-quality standards through accurate and reliable instruments. Regular calibration is a preventive measure that ensures operational efficiency and product quality.